All right, Congress leaders are protesting against BSY government in Karnataka, the policy during COVID-19 pandemic in Bengaluru. DK Shivakumar and Siddaramaiah are at that protest site, and let's go across now to Nagarjun Dwarkanath. He's at the ground site and giving us details on the protest. Over to you, Nagarjun.
Pooja, at this point of time, the Karnataka Congress MLAs and office bearers are protesting here in Vidhan Sabha behind me in front of the Gandhi statue. President of the party here, DK Shivakumar, former Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, both are there here, and several of the Congress legislators are also present. What they're demanding is that the APMC Act that was amended recently by the Karnataka government has to be taken back or revoked. They feel that it's against the ethos of farmers and cultivation. What the APMC Amendment Act especially means is that private companies or private players can buy the crop or the product directly from the farmer. And the Congress feels that this leads to arm twisting of the farmers by the private companies and will have to sell their product for a lower price. But however, the government has defended the ordinance or the act that they have amended, saying that the farmer is the owner of this crop and he'll decide whatever price that he wants to sell, and no one is forcing him. And several other placards that held against the central government as well about how central government is pushing labor laws to be diluted, about how the 20 lakh crore package was a bogus package and nothing concrete in that package. So several of the issues taken up by the Congress today are protesting. But what's interesting is that Section 144 has been put in place till the 31st of May in Karnataka as well as Bengaluru, here as well in Vidhan Sabha. But as you can see, the legislators are protesting even though there is Section 144 here. The persons who are sitting downstairs are maintaining social distance, but the people or the legislator who are standing are definitely violating the social distance. They are standing too closely and shouting slogans and holding placards. The protest will continue for a while, but if the police or the Vidhan Sabha police come and stop them, the Congress, in fact, and I spoke to them, said that they are willing to get arrested today as well. So we'll have to wait and watch if the police will enter Vidhan Sabha and stop them. But the protest as of now is continuing, demanding revocation of the APMC Amendment Act.
All right, so wearing masks, the opposition in Karnataka stepping up agitation against the BSY government. Nagarjun with all the latest update. Nagarjun, thank you so much.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.